If we want to be a multi-planet species, we should be careful what we choose. I'm your host Youssef, and these are 10 scary planets we should never live on. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Anyways, let's get to space. Number 10, HD 189733b. Astronomers found HD, an exoplanet 63 light years away that is comparable in size to Jupiter and has a blue color that is reminiscent of Earth, in 2005. But because HD lacked seas and oceans, it was not blue like Earth. Rather, the hue originated from the cloud's abundance of silicates. HD is lethal as well. The winds that sweep across the exoplanet at 8,700 kilometers per hour or 5,400 miles per hour are the first issue. Hurricane Katrina's top sustained winds reached 280 kilometers per hour or 175 miles per hour. Rain is another factor. Melted glass rains from the clouds of HD, which are rich in silicates. The extremely fast winds we just discussed are the reason why the rain does not fall straight down. Instead, this peculiar precipitation falls in an odd direction. Number 9, COROT 7b. A new exoplanet was found in the Monoceros constellation, 480 light years from Earth, in February 2009 by astronomers using the Convection, Rotation, and Planetary Transit spacecraft, or COROT. It was dubbed COROT 7b, even though COROT 7b was formerly a hot Jupiter or massive gas-filled planet outside of our solar system with a tight orbit around its star. It is a rocky, Earth-like exoplanet. COROT 7b is a dangerous place to be, even though it has a rocky surface that might be home to life. To begin with, there are tons of minerals in the atmosphere that combine to make rock clouds, as though it were rain. These clouds release tiny pebbles and boulders from the heavens. The extremely high surface temperature of the exoplanet would end any human if they ever survived the rock clouds. Number 8, Kelt 9b. The hottest planet that has ever been discovered is exoplanet Kelt 9b. Its star's temperature is approximately 2 times that of our Sun, which has a surface temperature of 5,480 degrees Celsius. It is around 9,700 degrees Celsius. On the exoplanet, the daily high is still absurdly high at 4,300 degrees Celsius, not even close to the majority of stars in the universe. As you watch this, the exoplanet Kelt 9b is rotating around star Kelt 9 and its hydrogen-rich atmosphere is boiling and escaping into space. The massive star Kelt 9 is 3 times the size of the Sun. The exoplanet Kelt 9b is 3 times heavier and twice as big as Jupiter. Number 7, WASP 121b. WASP 121b is really something strange. It is not spherical at all. Instead, it resembles a football. Not the more popular sport known by non-Americans as football, but American football is what we mean. However, WASP 121b is not lethal because of its form. The exoplanet's proximity to its star is the actual issue. Temperatures at WASP 121b are so close to their star that they average about 2,540 degrees Celsius. There is nothing that can form that is solid or liquid. Everything is just gas. This includes the iron and magnesium gases that make up its metallic atmosphere. Even worse, like Kelt 9b, the exoplanet is losing this atmosphere to its star. Strangely, WASP 121b's deformity is also a result of its proximity to its star. The exoplanet can experience a strong gravitational attraction from the star. WASP 121b's feeble gravitational field prevents it from withstanding the attraction. However, it is able to partially resist, which causes it to deform. Number 6, Upsilon Andromedae b. One peculiar exoplanet is Upsilon, which revolves around the star Upsilon Andromedae, which is located 44 light years from Earth. The exoplanet, which completes an orbit in just 4.6 days, is dangerously near to its Sun. This implies that it is tidally locked, as you may have anticipated, with one side always facing the Sun and the other scorching hot. It's interesting to note that the warm spot, or hot zone, is not facing the star. It is instead on the side that is never exposed to sunlight. Astronomers were perplexed by this discovery since the side facing the star ought to be hotter. Because the wind transports the hot air to the other side of the exoplanet, astronomers think that conditions are a little bit different there. Number 5, Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB. I'm going to refer to it as Ogle. Awadalla is a stony exoplanet situated in the center of our own Milky Way, with an extremely thin atmosphere. When it was discovered, astronomers suspected that it might contain life because of all three of these features. They now think otherwise because of the exoplanet's extremely low temperature. On Awadalla 2005 BLG 390LB, the surface temperature is approximately negative 220 degrees Celsius or negative 364 degrees Fahrenheit, which is too cold to sustain life as we know it. Number 4. TRES 2b. The darkest planet known to science is TRES 2b. If you were to put it side by side with coal, the coal would seem lighter due to its extreme blackness. Jupiter-sized TRES 2b is situated 750 light years away from Earth. GSC 03549-02811, its star, is nearly identical to our Sun. TRES 2b's atmosphere absorbs more than 99% of the light it receives from the Sun, which is why it is black. It is thought to be primarily composed of gaseous titanium oxide or vaporized sodium and potassium, which is why astronomers believe it reflects so little light. Number 3. Awadalla TR56b. Located 5,000 light years from Earth in the Sagittarius constellation is the planet Awadalla TR56b. Hot Jupiters frequently form farthest from their stars in their stellar systems, and then approach them throughout time. The planet Awadalla TR56b has approached its star too closely already. The exoplanet is so close that a year lasts for 29 hours, and the temperature at its surface approaches 2000 kelvins. Number 2. Proxima b. When Proxima b was found, it appeared to have potential. Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star 4.24 light years from Earth, is the object it circles. Astronomers were interested in the exoplanet because they believed it to have Earth-like characteristics, including water. They quickly found out though that they were mistaken, because Proxima b and Proxima Centauri are so close. Proxima b's orbit takes 11.2 days to complete. Additionally, one side is deadly hot and the other is deadly cold and frozen due to tidally locking. Number 1. Venus. There are deadly worlds inside our solar system as well. One is also prowling around here. Venus's sulfur dioxide rich clouds make it the deadliest planet in our solar system, no question about it. These clouds obstruct the planet's surface from receiving beneficial sunlight and prevent lethal carbon dioxide from escaping the atmosphere. There are several volcanoes on Venus's surface and they release a lot of heat and carbon dioxide. Because of its massive carbon dioxide deposit, Venus is toxic to humans. The planet becomes extremely heated due to the gas and heat trapped by the dense clouds. The extreme temperature is 467 degrees Celsius or 872 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Those were 10 scary planets we should never live on. Leave a like and comment if you think we missed anything, and we hope you have a scary day.